Good afternoon. I'm Dan Tharp, owner, master electrician, Big D Electric, Minnesota. Today we're going to show you a simple case of exothermic welding versus strong cap. We're going to do an exothermic weld on a 5/8 inch rod, and then we're going to do a strong cap on a rod. We're over 600 degrees yet. Still over 610 degrees. Alright, 25 minutes after we did our exothermic weld, we're still at between 90 and 100 degrees. So we're still patiently waiting until we can break the mold apart. Alright, roughly 30 minutes later we're finally ready to remove our exothermic welding case. So let's go ahead and do that. And there you have it. We've taken us roughly 35 minutes to set it up, wait for it to cool, and we do have a good exothermic weld. On our second ground rod, we're going to use the new strong cap. Protects you from disconnection and from corrosion. Comes with an SC6 special silicone that is vertically stable. Comes with our cap, and it comes with a special stainless steel acorn clamp, UL listed. The shear point of the bolt is higher than the clamp, so you cannot break the clamp. So let's go ahead and put that on next. It is rated for both 1/2 and 5/8 inch ground rods. All you need for this is a wrench, a knife, and a caulk gun. Tighten her down as tight as you want to go. And there we go. We are good and tight now. Next, just need to open up our silicone. Fill both sides with our silicone. Places around our connection point. The silicone ooze out. Snap it in. And we're done. Guaranteed not to corrode or disconnect. Once the silicone sets up, you're done. Never to come apart again. And there's the installation of a strong cap. Remember, it's just as good a connection as an exothermic weld. No special tools or experience is needed. We are safer, quicker, less expensive, environmentally friendly, and anyone can do it. Thank you, and please visit us at DNI Enterprises.com or strongcap.com. Thank you.